Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Versace model VE4393 in color code 6B1/87. It's a black gold color frame. On the temples over here, we have a gold Medusa logo, as well for this side. This frame is made in Italy. And the lenses are a gray color. It has the Versace logo on top of the lens. And it's 100% UV protected. These frames also come with a detachable lens. There's a little Velcro strap you can open up over here. The detachable lens is a purple-orange shaded color. Up here, we have the Versace gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a dust bag, an authenticity card, and a manufacturer card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.